When you open up a PDF, say, a contract, you'll probably notice you can copy the text, paste it, even tweak things. Pretty convenient, right? Yeah, but that also means anyone else can do the same. Not so great if you're trying to keep it secure. So, how do you lock it down? Simple. Turn that PDF into a PNG. Once it's an image, it's way harder to edit. And the best part? No more dragging files around, no sketchy online converters. Just set up a quick automation, hit one button, boom, it's done. In this video, I'll walk you through the whole thing, step by step. Alright, first things first, log into your Make account. Then, hit Create a new scenario. Give it a name so you know what it is later. For this setup, we'll be using Google Drive, so go ahead and upload your PDF file to your drive first. Now, click here, choose Google Drive. Then go to Upload a file. Select from a list, and pick the PDF you just uploaded. Next, we'll add ComPDFKit PDF Converter. Choose PDF to image, create a task. Here's the thing, you'll need an API key from ComPDF. If you don't have an account, click here, it'll take you to the sign-up page. Fill in your info, it's free, and you can convert over 1,000 files a month. If you already have an account, you'll be sent straight to the dashboard. Now go to API Keys. Click Create a new key. Give it a name. Copy that key. And paste it back into Make. Hit Save, and you're good to go. Now, for the next step, upload a file. Click into it. This is where you can set some options. Want to convert only specific pages? You can add the parameters. But honestly, I'm leaving it blank. It'll just convert all the pages to PNG by default. Next up, start a task. Then we add a flow control repeater. This repeats the next steps for file. Add get file information to check if the conversion worked. Then we set up two routers. One goes to Tools, this one loops back and retries if the file isn't ready yet. The other goes to HTTP. This one kicks in once the file is ready and gives you the download link. Now we need to save that file to Google Drive. Choose Google Drive again. Pick the destination folder. Important, choose HTTP, get a file here, because Google Drive can't save files directly from a URL. Then choose JSON, parse JSON. And finally, add an error handler commit. And that's it, your automation is all set. Now just hit run once. Wait for the little number here to turn to 1. Head over to your Google Drive, and boom, your PNG files are there. Click to download. And yep, every single page of your PDF is now a nice clean PNG. That's all, see you next time.